Hi everybody, hope you are all fine. This is Dr. ATEEQ. I welcome all of you to our YouTube channel Engineering Drive. My dear students, if you are an NPTEL aspirant, you have applied for NPTEL course and you are willing to write an NPTEL exam, then you came to the correct video where I am going to discuss with all of you the latest NPTEL rules for the year 2026. Yes, of course, whatever you are thinking, it is right. NPTEL has updated its rules for the year 2026, and the students who already applied for NPTEL course for the semester or who are willing to write an NPTEL exam, then you came to the correct video where I am going to discuss these new updated rules. So let me discuss these rules first. Number one is NPTEL this time is conducting exams on 8 days. Yes, whatever I am saying here, it is absolutely correct. This time NPTEL is conducting the exam on 8 days. So generally NPTEL used to conduct the exam on 6 days, but this time from here onwards they are planning and they will schedule their exams for a period of 8 days. Sir, 8 days means per day how many exams? So per day NPTEL conducts the exam in two sessions, morning session and afternoon session. So if you combine this into 8, then total 16 sessions. So you can write the exam, you can go ahead and write your exam for how many courses? 16 courses. Yes, it is correct. So candidates can certified in 16 courses all in a single semester. This is very important point, which means per semester NPTEL conducts the exam on 8 days. So each day morning one exam, afternoon one exam. So if you multiply with 8, which means 16 courses. Okay, so you can write the exam, you can get certified for how many courses? 16 courses in one semester. So here I am talking about one semester. So if you are planning to write some other courses in next semester, you can go ahead and write it in next semester. But per semester, you can write how many courses? 16 courses you can write exam. So one after morning session and another one will be in the afternoon session. Yes, this is the one more new thing added here. And the next point, you may enroll in any number of NPTEL courses you wish. So this is the third point. Okay, sir, you are saying that we can write 16 courses exam. Yes, of course. You can write the exam for only 16 courses because what is the schedule of NPTEL exam? 8 days. Each day 2 exams, which means you can write each day 2 exams without any problem. But if you want to register, let us say some student want to register more than 16 courses, whether it is possible? Yes, you can register any number of courses. There is no limit for that. But you can write exams for how many courses? Maximum 16 courses you can write. Okay, this is point number 3. Next point, only those exam cities which are mentioned in the exam registration form are available for this semester. So this is very important. So centers, sir, I am belonging to some other part of the country, India, some village. Okay, whether the center is available there? Yes, when the center, if the list of options where when you are registering for the NPTEL exam, if they shows that particular place, if they shows that particular city, yes, that city is available as the exam center. If the NPTEL does not show that listed city, then your city is not available. You need to go somewhere and you need to write your NPTEL exam. So only the cities which are shown in the list are eligible as exam centers. So this is also very important point. There is no way that you can write NPTEL exam from anywhere. Some allotted center will be there. You need to go to that allotted center in that particular city and you need to write the exam. If that center is available in your city, then NPTEL will show that as the list. So you can select that, and mostly that particular place will be the finalized as your exam center. So this is next important point. And one more important thing is you can take one exam in the forenoon session and another exam in the afternoon session. So I mentioned already this point. So per day, how many exams can I write, sir? You can write 2 exams, one in the morning session, another one is the afternoon session. Okay. Next, you need to, this is very important point, my dear NPTEL aspirants. You need to have the same registered email ID. This is very important for all the courses to have two different sessions on the same day in the same exam center. Sir, can you clarify this point? Let us say I want to register in 4 courses in NPTEL. So what I can do when I am going to register for the 4 courses, yes, I can register it. There is no limit to register for NPTEL courses. But the point I should remember is I should use the same email ID to register for all these 4 courses. Okay, sir, why? What is the link? Can I use different email IDs? You can use, but if you use different email IDs, what is the problem here? NPTEL will treat that 4 registrations with 4 different candidates. NPTEL will think that 4 different students have registered for the NPTEL exam, and you may be allotted the exam centers at different places in a random manner. So in order to avoid this problem, what you need to do, if you want every session should not coincide with one another, then in this case you need to use the same register email ID. If you use the same register email ID, then what happened, your exam center will be the same. One exam you can write in morning section, another exam you can write in afternoon session. If you are registering for 4 exams, if you are registering for the 4 exams, then also there will be no collision with your either exam center or with the sessions. So dear students, all of you, remember this point. Registration of email ID is very, very important. Use same email ID for how many courses you are going to register. It doesn't bother, but use the same email ID so that you will not have this problem of different centers or different sessions, or say one session colliding with another session. You will not have this type of problems. This is very, very important point. And one more very, very important point is NPTEL will allot the session forenoon or afternoon as per the availability, and the sessions will not clash. This is very, very important point. Sir, can I select the sessions? Means I want to write the exam on so and so date in afternoon, whether this option is given by NPTEL. This option is not provided by NPTEL. Just you need to select your preferred exam city. Okay, and you need to select the course. That's all. NPTEL will allot the date, NPTEL will allot the session. But the important thing is sessions will not clash, which means same as 2 courses. Generally, if they fall in the same session, if the candidate has registered for the same 2 courses, this type of thing will not happen. The reason is you are using the same registered email ID. So if you use only one email ID, then your sessions will not clash. One exam you will be writing in morning session, another exam you will be writing in afternoon session, third exam you will be writing on some other day in afternoon session, fourth exam you will be writing in some other day in morning session. So sessions will not clash. So my dear students, these are the very, very important points that you should have to focus, and you need to keep an idea about all this. Okay, so still already if you have applied for NPTEL course, make sure you are using the same email ID until you will get your result, final exam result. Until you will get your NPTEL certificate, you need to use the same email ID. So I hope that many of these doubts has been cleared. If any doubts are there, simply you can put it in the comment section. With this, let me close my today's session of video. See you soon everybody. Take care. Allah Hafiz.